member.
So, some people will not want to use AI. Some people will want to use it as a tool. Some people will just release it. Ang gusto ko lang sana is if people release it, just label it. Label that this was an AI-produced song or assisted. That's it. Kasi parang merong mga tao, obviously, na parang is so hesitant pag nakarinig ng AI song. Parang, why don't you just do it on your own? And then, on the other side of the coin is, merong AI songs na kumakanta ng Tagalog songs who have 7 million streams or more. So parang this is the world that we live in now. If people will still use AI-generated music, just kung sino gagawa ng, hi, this is an AI-generated song, or ano, hope you like it. If you don't like it, don't listen to it. Listen to original songs na not created by AI. That's my stance. Ikaw?
Yeah, I think hindi natin maiwasan kung ano yung, especially now, hindi natin maiwasan kung ano yung gusto ng mga tao talaga. Kung gusto nyo makinig, like, may mga songs na lumalabas na AI, and may mga tao na-appreciate nila. Hindi mo naman sila pwede mapigilan kasi yun yung nag-move sila eh. So hindi mo sila pwede, bakit kayo nakikinig na yan? So I think, gusto ko lang sabihin na sana hindi mawala yung appreciation ng mga tao sa artistry, sa soul, sa effort ng bawat artist or musician. Andun pa rin, hindi mawawala.